Hello, my name is Wendy Martin, and I'm a graduate student at Emporia State University. I wanted to talk to you about enhancing academic growth through the arts. Did you know the human brain contains millions of neurons? Neurons are the functioning core for the brain and the entire nervous system. When a student sees a piece of artwork, hears music, or watches a performance on stage, the neurons in the brain are sending signals that release specific hormones. And research now makes clear that experiencing or creating art sparks a dynamic interplay among brain cells that spearheads billions of changes affecting our thoughts, emotions, and actions. This evidence builds the case that whether students understand it or not, the arts profoundly impact our biological circuitry. The National Education Association lists critical thinking, communication, collaboration, and creativity as the most important skills that students must master to be successful in an ever-changing competitive workforce. When children engage in the arts, whether it's visual, linguistic, musical, or a performance, those 21st century skills are nurtured and developed. Educators can be instrumental in helping their students transfer content knowledge into long-term memory storage by infusing their classrooms with projects that require expression and creativity. When critical thinking and creativity are nourished, students get excited, and this is when true learning can take place.